Hi, I'm Peter Diamandis. Today I want to talk about what it means to become an exponential entrepreneur. What it takes to go from local and linear thinking to really a global and exponential mindset. For years, for decades, for centuries, entrepreneurs have been those individuals who see a problem, see an opportunity, figure out how to fix it, and make an extraordinary business. And forever, it's been doing that at a local scale, in your country, in your town. Today, we can do that on a global scale, touching the lives of 1 billion people. It's an extraordinary time to be alive, and the tools and technologies that you have access to are like no time ever in history. Do you know what differentiates today's exponential entrepreneurs, folks like Larry Page, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson? It's not their wealth, it's their mindset. It's their ability to see opportunities and to go global with them. And because of that mindset, today's exponential entrepreneurs are doing things on a scale that was only possible for governments and the largest corporations just a few decades ago. You know me, I'm passionate about creating a world of abundance. I co-founded the X Prize and Singularity University to really take on the world's grandest challenges. I co-founded Planetary Resources to go out there and capture the material resources from asteroids. Because the things we fight wars over here on Earth are near infinite quantities in space. And most recently, I co-founded Human Longevity Inc., a company that's capitalizing on the breakthroughs of genome sequencing and stem cell sciences to make 100 years old the new 60. We truly are living in an extraordinary time. A time at which we can go from I've got an idea to I run $1 billion company in just a couple of years. Look at Uber, Airbnb, WhatsApp, Oculus VR. Extraordinary companies that are changing the world and creating incredible wealth. I've studied how this happens, what makes this possible. I've come up with a lens through which to look at technological change. I call it the 6 Ds of exponentials. The first D is that anything that becomes digitized enters a period of deceptive growth, then disruptive growth, and ultimately dematerializes, demonetizes, and democratizes services and products. Today, the only constant is change, and the rate of change is increasing. Unless you disrupt yourself, then someone else will. So the question is, how do you do that? Where do you do that? What's your big idea? How are you incorporating exponential tools and technologies into your business to take you from local and linear to global and exponential? Are you using AI, robotics, 3D printing, crowdfunding, crowdsourcing, incentive competitions, data mining? Are you thinking in a bold and abundant mindset, what my friends at Google X call moonshot thinking? So today I want to issue you a challenge and give you an opportunity. I challenge you to play at a bigger game, to master what it takes to become an exponential entrepreneur, how to flow these technologies and tools into your company and your life right now. The opportunity is this. Each year I personally coach a group of curated entrepreneurs in a membership program called Abundance 360. Each January we come together for 2 days in beautiful LA at the Beverly Wilshire Hotel to study all of these areas, to understand what it takes to become an exponential entrepreneur. And then every month, this community gets together in a webinar where we keep the lessons alive. Keep these alive in your life. So they take hold, they change the way you think, and they change the tools that you use to make your business go big and bold. I've committed for 25 years to run the Abundance 360 community. We're now in year 3, and I want to invite you to join us. Let me make it clear, this is a curated event, and we're very selective about membership. This is not cheap, and it's not for everyone. But that means that the entrepreneurs and CEOs in this community are extraordinary individuals. People interested in mastery and taking their companies 10x or 100x bigger in size. Okay, so let's begin. Take a look at the videos and the content on this page and find out whether this community is for you. And if it is, start the application process, fill out the form, and a member of my team will contact you. We're living into an extraordinary future, a future that you're going to create and not fear. A future in which you can go big and bold, touch the lives of 1 billion people, make your grandest dreams come true. It's time that you become an exponential entrepreneur, build an exponential organization. Join me. We're going to have an extraordinary 23 years ahead.